Okay guys, so this is the next haul, I guess you should say. And in this one we're gonna be talking, it's kind of a mix of stuff. I got stuff from makeup, skincare. I actually got something to show you guys for your feet. If you get like sore feet from working all day, who doesn't get sore feet? You know, we all walk, like who doesn't get sore feet? So I'm gonna show you guys just some stuff I got. I got some stuff from, this stuff is gonna be from Ulta and Marshalls and Walmart. So, oh, and MAC. I wanted to show you guys a palette that my friend got me. So let's first start with the stuff I got from Marshalls. So this is turmeric face mask. I cannot wait to try these. It comes with what, 5 sheet, they're sheet masks. If you can't see that here. And it comes with 5 of them, and they only cost me $4.99. And supposedly turmeric is really good for dark spots. Let's just read what the box says. It says the Cream Shop Turmeric Face Mask contains powerful turmeric extract to promote unparalleled skin. That's a nice way to say it. The natural ingredient is considered sacred in some cultures due to its numerous benefits, which include combating acne, reducing oily glands, brightening discolorations, hydrating skin, and revealing a youthful complexion. So I will start doing these, and I will tell you guys how they do. What else I got? So I got these exfoliating. Oh, it's really bright. Okay. Well, you can read it. Exfoliating foot mask. Right here is a picture of somebody's feet. So this comes with 3 of them. And let's read what this says. And it kind of pumps open. Well, it shows you how to, this shows you how to do it. It's supposed to target dry skin and hardened skin, like especially on your heels. And it shows, I would show y'all, but obviously my camera, the light's too bright and the white is reflecting off of it. But it comes with 3 of them, and they only cost me $3.99. Now the reason I got these babies is because my chemotherapy makes my skin really, really dry, mainly my feet, and I just can't be rocking like that. So hopefully these masks work. And what else did I get? Next I got this Vital C Vitamin C skincare. It's a brightening face serum. So I already took it out. I kept the box to show y'all, but it comes like this. And it's a dropper. Let's see if they have a description on what yep, it does. This light moisturizing serum is rich in vitamin C, which may help prevent and reverse the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The essential formula also protects the skin by neutralizing free radicals. Our improved vitamin C formula contains ingredients to help tone and firm the skin, thereby providing a noticeable lift. They put that in quotes. So, I don't know. I got it. I mean, who doesn't need a little extra boost and whatnot? So I've been using this in the morning before moisturizer and at night before moisturizer. And so far, I really like it. I really like it. It doesn't make my face oil. I have oily skin. Well, I guess I have combo skin. And it doesn't make me like extra oily or anything like that. And this was $7.99. So I got one more other thing from Marshalls, but I don't remember what it was. And I can't find it. So we're just gonna go past that. So next from Ulta, I got a bunch of stuff on sale. Who doesn't like sales, right? I got stuff on sale from Sleek Makeup. Now I got these 4 lip colors, and I'll swatch them for you guys really quick. These were $7.99. They were buy one get one half off, and they were $7.99 each. So, and I wore this color in my champagne video. So that color is pretty. Let's see. And they dry really matte. And then that was in the color Vino Tinto, number 1041. And then I got this color in Velvet Slipper. Let's do that one. So that's more of like a dark pinky color. And then this is more of like a matte shade. And this is in the color Daydreamer. So that's more of your pinky nude. That's that color. And then this color. Aiden? You okay? Okay. I was really stepping out my comfort zone with this one, but this one's called Volcanic. It's a metallic matte, major matte metallic. So, I don't know if you can, y'all probably can't tell. Yeah, you can't really tell. But it kind of has, like little fine glitters in it that's like blue and stuff. It's really pretty. That's why I got it. And next I got this contour palette in the color Dark. So you can tell I already used some of it. But it comes with the contour shade. I think this is the highlight and a blush. Like a neutral blush. And then this I was really excited about. They had highlighting palettes. And this is in the shade Solace. Oh. And it comes with a cream highlight. Oh man. So glittery. Well, it has a cream highlight and 3 powders. Yeah. And those shades are really pretty too. And then next, the last thing I got out of Ulta was I've been needing a new face wash. And y'all, this stuff right here. Why is my light so bright? Let's see. Okay, yeah. Y'all see that? This stuff right here. I'm telling you, this stuff right here. Y'all, I love it. And it smells really, really good. It's Pacifica Quinoa Sensitive Super Gentle Face Wash. It says it removes dirt and pollutants, cleanse, and help balance. It has quinoa, calendula, calendula, and aloe. And it's foaming, so it does get really foamy on your skin. It's 100% vegan and cruelty-free. It's for sensitive and dry skin types, and it's sulfate-free. So I really like this stuff. I might need to go get their moisturizer so I can try it too. Now, out of Walmart, I picked up the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer. Face primer for matte, to be matte. And it just says it's a lightweight formula, refines the appearance of pores, smooth skin for even makeup application. I've used this like 2 or 3 times and I do like it, but I don't think I've used it enough to really, really know. And then next, what I was going to show y'all for y'all's feet, if you get tired feet like I do, and I told y'all with my chemo, I'm dealing with dry feet and sore feet and all that. So I actually got this foot roller, and all you do is like put your foot on top and you kind of just roll back and forth, and it feels really good. And you can either get a big bowl of hot water, let this soak in there, and then pull it out, of course, and roll your foot on it, and it's like hot therapy. Or you can put it in the freezer and then you get cold therapy. So yeah, you can do different stuff with this. And then I got this right here. It's Gold Bond, it's healing therapeutic. It's a foot cream for dry, rough, and cracked heels. Triple action relief. Relieves dry, irritated skin, soothes and softens, and cools and revitalizes. This stuff, I really, really like it. It's not too thick and it's not too thin, so it does really moisturize. And when it says it cools and revitalizes, it really does cool. Like it doesn't feel like you're putting like menthol on your feet or anything, but it gives it like, just trust me, go try it. It feels good. And the last thing I got, well, that my friend gave me is from MAC. It's a little palette. Isn't it cute? Hold on. Y'all see it? Isn't it cute? Let me show you the colors while I dim the light. Haven't used it yet. I can't wait to use it though. Y'all see that? Aren't those colors pretty? And did I sure did. I put my nail in it. Well, this is a highlight, so I'm really excited to try this. Thank you, Charnay girl. Anyway, so yeah. It has your purples, your pinks. It has 2 shimmers. So I'll do a look with this soon. And that is it, guys. Thank you for watching.